like to your point, it's like, if you are someone who knows how to nap your own flint and generate your own electricity and grow your own food and you live in Manhattan, that's kind of weird,
It is weird.
But at the same time, Manhattan is one of the food deserts, incredibly dependent on supply chain infrastructure. And basically, there's always that moment in the horror movie where the weirdo conspiracy theorist that everyone thought was
Is
ridiculous
right.
is the guy that everyone relies on for survival. And so it's like the, a healthy system is always going to find the levels at which there are appropriate fractions of the population between these two strategies. And I think we're tilting into, for probably the rest of our foreseeable lives, strategies that are more like we're going to see a relative increase in the capacity of people to engage in lifelong learning and in kind of improvisatory, spontaneous, make do approach to things, the ability to sense patterns, to relate to people.